What's up, my HVAC people, all those who are watching? Thank you for clicking on the video. Very first video on the channel, day in the life of an HVAC business owner. And right now, this is my intro. This is the day before. The clips you're going to be seeing mainly today throughout the video are going to be tomorrow. Today is March 20th. The video of the furnace and AC that we're going to be installing, that'll be tomorrow, the 21st. But just doing the intro video now because really I'm going to be waking up early, going to the gym, eating, all that type of stuff. I'm going to record, but I really don't want to speak. I just grab my camera, start recording what I do, heading to the gym, heading to Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. I believe that's where the job's at. I know it's in Maryland. But yeah, this is the intro. I started a company with my brother and I, this year, 2025, February 11th of 2025, and it's only March. So really it's been like a month and a half in that range, and it's been so far so good, but we have so much more to go on this journey. I just want to take you guys along with us. I was working for a HVAC company for 10 years, big company here in York, Pennsylvania, and we just branched out on our own. 10 years of experience. I did go to school, like a tech school, through my ninth freshman year to senior year, and I graduated and I got hired by that company. Really appreciative, grateful for them. But it was time. You know, you just feel when you know when it's time. Basically, you know when it's time. So this is it. This is the video. These are the content. We got POVs, day in the life, and I'm 28 years old. And I'm ready for this. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the challenge. I'm ready to take on, what's next in my life, and documenting it, showing you guys. You might learn something, you might grab some inspiration from it, and that's really what this content is about. It might spread out to different things. I'm not sure, but let's see. It's the very first video.
You look on the 10.
What's up, Brody?
So, bro, tomorrow, 6:30.
6:30 tomorrow, yeah, bro. You can meet me here at the house, and then we're gonna pick up the equipment at 7:30. So we just gotta try. Yeah, we gotta go to Pierce Phelps. All right, guys. That was my cousin Lou on the phone. He's joining us tomorrow. He's fresh. He's new. He's just learning, and let's see if it's something he would like to pick up. But he's meeting me here at the house at 6:30. My brother as well. He's gonna be here. And we're gonna get going early in the morning. I'm gonna hit the gym. Hopefully my brother could join me on that. And yeah, let's begin this day. Boy, let's begin the video. Let's really get into the video. The intro is done. Let's go. Let's go. Furnace AC. How you feel, Lou? Ready for it?
Excited, man. Trying to learn some new things, man.
Yeah, man.
Trying to get used to this. We learned a little bit, since we did a furnace, Wednesday?
Yep,
saw a little bit how that was. Even though I didn't get to go up there, but saw a little bit how difficult that was. And I'm gonna see a little bit how the AC unit is outside, things like that.
Yeah, at least this one is it's not in the attic. You're gonna be able to see what we do. Probably we're gonna do some sheet metal, work. Mike.
If you're a fan of the strange, dark, and mysterious delivered in story format, then you've got...
So don't do it right. And here we are with the furnace. We're going to be replacing AC coil 2. We're going to be replacing all that, smoke pipe. Get to work.
by one?
Yeah, you can cut them all at the same time. You need them more? You might, or are you good with these?
No, it's just this one, the fan. I had to disconnect the fan.
Okay. This right here is clutch. And those tight little spots and an angle. It's flexible too. It's clutch, it's clutch. Flush the door there. I got this door. Oh, I thought we were gonna have one more step. Good. How you feeling, Lou? Not bad, ain't? Not too bad, Tim? Here, bro, you can leave that on like that. This here goes right inside here. Stick these. Once I get this out, I'll have you work on that because it's gonna be too heavy for you. I'm telling you, this one down, it's between this story and that Jewish box. What do you call it? Divot. Bro, those two stories are the best ones. Alrighty, so. Watch your head, watch your heads. That doesn't go right in. I need to. I need a coupling. Okay. I'm gonna go grab a part, Lewis. That's too long. I'm gonna wipe my face. And then the ground goes to just too many people who needed saving. Pretty simple. These are pretty simple today. About 30 minutes. I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna start. Once he does the front, we'll go with it. Robert and his friend would spend the entire night calling as many people to safety as they possibly could. By the time it's use the right ones to come up like this, kind of in an angle. Don't go like this. That way, just go kind of an angle, and just push as you when you release, push in. And then, yeah, just do that there. Hello.
I was like, but yeah.
But yeah. Trying to bring tension out there. Let it create. Yeah, let it create.
I never seen on that red, bro. Like, oh my god. That car was low. That car was mad low.
Hecklers. That's nothing compared to Hex.
Hector, he says sometimes you can lower it to a point where you can barely fit 2 fingers in between the tire and the body of the fender. You know what that is?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Rompeme. Yo quiero que me rompas. Transforma hoy mi vida. Yeah.
Did you get the paperwork out of the coil job? The jam?
I don't think so. I don't see anything.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Seal it up.
I'm telling you, man. I be thinking I'm catching him. I be thinking. You saw how beautiful that went?
Alright guys, so this is the outro. I just did a voiceover, didn't do a video, but finishing up. As you can see, the furnace all done, and we got more videos coming. Like and subscribe. I'm new to this, so I'm gonna get these stuff down, the editing, the voiceovers and everything, but like and subscribe.